Welcome to Yoga for You, a channel tailored to helping you discover your very own unique yoga practice.
Hi, and welcome back to Yoga for You. This is a 10-minute meditation focused on connecting to oneself and grounding. We'll go ahead and find a comfortable seat. You could sit on a chair if that's more comfortable. You can even lay down if that works better for you. And then your hands can be on top of your thighs or maybe together in your lap. Close your eyes. And take a few really deep breaths. And take a big breath in through the nose. And exhale out through the mouth. Let's do that again. One more big breath in through the nose. Exhale out through the mouth. And let your breath go back to its natural state. And check in with your body. I want to approach this meditation as coming to the present moment just as we are, with whatever it is. If it's a lot of heartache or a lot of joy, rage, whatever it is, just come as you are and let that be enough. Feel the ground beneath you. Wherever you're connecting to the earth, whether that's just your feet or your sit bones or your legs, really let that pull of gravity be felt. And then make sure you're sitting up nice and tall, but not with so much effort that you can't relax or you can't settle, that you can't feel. So we're going to bring our concentration and our awareness into the breath. But with not a whole lot of manipulation or trying to control. So find an area in the body that you feel the breath the easiest, like it's the most noticeable for you right away. And that could be somewhere in the belly, or maybe closer to the chest. Or maybe you can feel the touch of the breath at the nostrils or the upper lip. So for today's practice, you're just going to pick one of those and stick with it the entirety of the meditation. And the mind's going to wander from time to time. Your thoughts could pull you away and you can go on into this story of fantasy or something that's already happened. And you're just going to gently bring yourself back to that point of focus that you chose. And you might have to do that a lot. And that's okay, just bring yourself back. There might also be times where there's intense, gross sensations in the body that pull you away from that point of focus. And you're just going to notice that sensation, but then bring yourself back to the sensations of the breath at that point of focus that you chose. Keep reconnecting to that breath. Its simplicity is incredibly powerful. It allows us to reconnect to the simplicity of who we are and to ground into the now. As you grow deeper with that new relationship that you're forming, that new connection, can you notice even more subtle layers beneath the initial gross sensations you feel that initially bring you there, but then there's something even deeper. Can you get quiet and still enough to notice? And remember, if the awareness has gone off onto a tangent somewhere else, just bring it back. Just gently, so it doesn't rock you so much that you lose all that you've cultivated. Because connection comes from a place of compassion and kindness and presence. So come back to that focus with ease. And start to bring your awareness into your entire body. Let go of your concentration point of focus on that breath. Notice the entire body, toes to head, head to toes. And even start to notice the sounds that are around you. Let them slowly enter your bubble. Notice where you feel pressure, temperature. Bring your entire environment into your practice right now. Let's take a few deep breaths together. Inhaling through the nose. Exhaling through the mouth. Let's do that again. Inhale. Exhale. And bring your hands to your heart center. Palms together. Bow your chin towards your chest. And as you transition out of your meditation practice today, move slowly. Let the transition be honored and sacred as you go into the next part of your day. I hope that you feel more connected to yourself and grounded into the moment. See you next time. Namaste.